Bass anglers today have tons of bait options to choose from. Matching the right bait to a given situation is often key to angling success. Expansive underwater shelves with rock, wood, and weeds are magnets for schools of bass. Specialized jigs designed for unique swimming presentations can be brutally effective here under the right conditions.
Oh, look at that guy there. He's a real tub of lard. Look at that guy there. Look at that. Just beautiful bass, aren't they? Northern bass. Get her back in the water.
The Terminator Swim Jig is specifically designed for a horizontal swimming presentation. A close look at this jig and you will see some unique characteristics in comparison with the standard flippin' jig. Number one, the head is a conical shape with a balanced head specifically designed for a swimming retrieve. Eye placement is vertical to minimize snagging issues. The skirt is dressed thin, so it literally breathes as it moves through the water. The hook is a 30-degree bend, which really enhances hooking percentage on long-distance casts. The longer hook shank and keeper retains the trailer in place no matter what type of cover it's going through. Today we're using Trigger X 4-inch grubs in a flap and craw trailer that puts a very lifelike look into the jig.